When your DeLonghi portable air conditioner keeps tripping the circuit breaker, it's usually due to one of several electrical or mechanical issues. Understanding these causes will help you identify the problem. Portable air conditioners are power-hungry appliances, typically consuming between 1,000 to 1,500 watts of electricity. This is comparable to running a microwave, hairdryer, or multiple smaller appliances simultaneously. Most home electrical circuits are rated for 15 to 20 amps, providing 1,800 to 2,400 watts of capacity. When your air conditioner draws 10 to 15 amps, adding other appliances on the same circuit can easily exceed this limit, causing the breaker to trip as a safety measure. When the compressor starts up, it requires an inrush current that can be 3 to 5 times higher than normal operating current. This sudden surge often trips breakers that are already near their capacity limit. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, forcing the compressor to work harder to maintain cooling. This increased workload draws more current and can push the unit over the circuit's capacity, triggering breaker trips. Internal component failures can cause excessive current draw. A failing capacitor, damaged compressor wires, or a worn compressor motor can all increase electrical consumption beyond normal limits, leading to breaker trips. DeLonghi units display error codes that can help identify problems before they cause breaker trips. These codes indicate issues like overheating, full water trays, dirty filters, or system faults that may increase power consumption. Understanding these 5 main causes helps you identify why your DeLonghi air conditioner trips the breaker. Each issue affects electrical consumption differently, but all can overload your home's electrical circuit and trigger the safety breaker. Start troubleshooting by checking the electrical circuit. First, unplug other high-power appliances from the same circuit to reduce the electrical load. Next, inspect the air conditioning unit itself. Check the power cord for any signs of damage like fraying or melting. Examine the air filter, which is often the culprit when dirty or clogged. Clean the condenser and evaporator coils, as dirty coils force the unit to work harder and draw more power. Also, check and clean the condensate drain to prevent water backup issues. Try resetting the unit. If your AC has an LCDI plug, ensure the reset button is active. For a complete reset, unplug the unit for 5 minutes to reset the control board, then plug it back in. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to call a professional. Qualified electricians or HVAC technicians can diagnose complex problems like refrigerant leaks, compressor issues, or internal wiring problems. Remember these important safety warnings. Never tape a breaker to prevent it from tripping, as this creates a serious fire hazard. Ensure your room is large enough for the unit with adequate airflow, and never use extension cords with portable air conditioners.